The DNA of a Lotus is agility, performance, to be fast, to be competitive. When you drive a Lotus, you have fun.
Emerson Fittipaldi, the youngest ever individual world champion.
The world's most powerful production car, the stunning Lotus Evija hypercar, now delivers even more exclusivity and desirability. Inspired by the past to enhance the future, Lotus has unveiled the Evija Fittipaldi, a tribute to one of the greatest car and driver pairings that Formula One has ever seen. That driver is, of course, Emerson Fittipaldi, the young Brazilian racer who joined Lotus and became a legend, cementing his place in F1 history in 1972.
Electrical car. The new Evija Fittipaldi is going to be iconic as the Lotus 72. After 50 years, with all the World Championships, the Lotus history, determination to have my name on the car with all our history together. It's an honor for me. I'm Emerson Fittipaldi. My first drive in Formula One was with Team Lotus.
Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, share.